Westermans here with a new West 3-axis welding positioner, carrying capacity 5,000 kilos. This machine has worked on the 2 rams with a hydraulic lift, and obviously also the 2 rams for the tilt. Machines available from stock. More details can be found on westermans.com. Pendant control and foot control if required. Obviously variable speed, forwards and reverse, digital display on the controls. Like I say, more details available on westermans.com. We also got a range of 2-ton and 3-ton 3-axis positioners, and also 2-axis positioners, all from stock, both new and used. Also a range of welding equipment which includes sub-arc, column and booms, spot welders, MIG, TIG, plasma profile machines, CNC lathe beds, orbital, and many more that can be viewed on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.